Changing the default video player on your Android tablet is a two-step process. First, we'll need to reset and clear whatever is currently set as the default player, and then we can choose a different player. What makes this kind of tricky is that sometimes it might be hard to tell what is the current default player for videos. If I play a video from my file manager, for example, it uses a video player to play the file, but it all happens within the file manager, so nothing here tells me what player this is. If I go to the app switcher and look at the app, it only shows the file manager and not the actual video player. Whether you know what app is currently used or not, I'll show you a solution for both scenarios. To reset the current default, we'll go to Settings, and from the left side, we'll scroll down to Apps. Now, if you know your current default player, you'll find it on the app list here. I know mine is using Google Photos, so I will scroll down and find the Photos app here. In the app settings, there's a section for defaults. We'll go there, and from here, I can clear the current default settings. That's really it. Nothing seemingly happens, but when I go back to my file manager, find a video file and open it, my tablet will ask me what app to use for videos. I can also choose whether the app I choose will be used just once, or if I want to always use the same app for all video files. So that's how you'd change the default player if you know how to clear the old one. But what about the user who doesn't know exactly what's the current default player? Well, there's a few options for those folks. You could go back to the app settings and then simply go through the list, look for the usual suspects for video players. Basically check any app that's designed for photos or videos. But because that can quickly turn into a headache, there's another way to do this. The alternative way is to clear app preferences for all your apps. On some Android versions, you'll go to this Choose Default Apps menu, and then on the top, you'll see three little dots. Tap those and choose to clear and reset app preferences. Mine doesn't have that menu here, but I can do it from the previous page. Every Android version is slightly different. I'll tap the three dots, choose Reset App Preferences, and then Confirm. This will reset all app-specific preferences on your tablet, so you won't lose any data, but if you've set specific configurations on your tablet regarding your apps, you might have to redo those after this. It's not the most ideal way to do this, but in some cases, it could be the last and only viable option. Now, when I go open a video file, I'll get that same prompt asking which app to use, and I can then set that app to be the new default for all videos. And that's how you change your default video player. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.